Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to April's BoxyCharm unboxing. Now, I'm going to just start right off and drop the load on you guys. These boxes aren't my favorite boxes. This month, honestly, for me, wasn't that great. Just because I feel like they're really not paying attention to the questionnaires anymore. Like, they just send whatever. And they started saying that they were going to be paying more attention to the questionnaires that you fill out, which to me, that's the whole point. You know, I want a box that's a little more catered to what I like, you know, and not things that I don't want to receive. This month, I received 2 makeup products. 2. And my heart hurts a little because I didn't receive a palette in either of my boxes. And for the base box, there was a variation of like 10 Zoeva palettes. And on the premium box, there was 3 different palettes that people could have received. And I didn't receive a palette. That, you know, I was a little salty about that. I'm not even gonna lie. So I do have the unboxing for the base $25 box and the premium $35 box. I haven't been buying makeup, you know, with everything going on. So I decided to only keep this subscription just because I could still get a little something, you know, new products. And sometimes it does feel good to get new products here and there. So yeah, let's just dive right into it because yeah. So for the base box, this is a pamphlet. It is a festival vibe, so festival theme, which right now all the festivals got canceled because of what's going on. This is variation number 7. And let's just start off. So there are a few products in this box that I did like. The first one that I didn't, though, that I don't really care for, is the iconic London Illuminator. I just don't like these type of products. It's not something that I would use. I think in a previous month I received a Cover FX one, and I think I used it once and that was it. So this is definitely not a product that I would like to continue to get. And this has a price of $41. It does seem a little small, in my opinion, for a $41 bottle. I don't know if they changed the packaging, they made it smaller, but this just seems too small, in my opinion, for a $41 product. But it is what it is. Actually, that's the 3rd makeup product. I counted 2 that I would actually use. Next, this that I'm okay with it, I guess, but I would have preferred to receive something else. I got the Makeup Eraser Original Sunset shade, I guess. This is supposed to erase all your makeup. You just add water. I don't know. That seems... I'm going to try it out. I don't want to be such a negative Nancy, but this is not something that I would personally want to take my makeup off. I just feel like it's not going to remove all of this super dramatic, glittery, sparkly, full coverage makeup that I tend to wear all the time. It's super soft. The color's pretty. Like, yeah, it's cute. I'll try it, but I would have liked to receive something else. And the price of this is $22. I'm just like a makeup wipe remover type of girl. I have always been, and I only use the Neutrogena makeup wipes. Have always used those for the longest time. Now on to the products that I do like, which are 3. I received the the Benefit Professional. This has been my absolute favorite for years. I actually have one that I'm working on. I don't know where I left it, but it is basically a primer that fills in your pores, smooths out your skin, and it's something that I have used for years. Ulta had a sale, I think like the beginning of 2019, and I think I purchased like 3 or 4 of them. I'm still working on one of them. Let me see. Yeah, it's right here actually. So this is the new one. This is the one I'm working on. I really like this Professional because it is probably my favorite primer that actually fills in my pores and gives me a smooth appearance, gives my skin a smooth appearance, and it also keeps my skin matte. So I really like that. This is my absolute favorite primer of all time. I do have other favorites, but this is like a holy grail product that I feel like I always have to have in my collection. So I'm happy that I have a backup now, because that was my last one from those 4 that I purchased back when Ulta had a sale. And that retails for $32, and that is a full size of the Professional. Then we have this skincare product. This is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. And I actually was able to choose this. This was the best thing that was left from what I could choose. So I chose this one. And basically this says it's a hydration juice, super hydrating gel. So to me, I take this as kind of like a moisturizer, which I like the gel formula of moisturizers. So I will definitely be using this once I finish my other moisturizer that I'm working on right now. And lastly, I got a brush set. This is from the brand Lavish, which looks like this. And this says it retails for $29.99. I mean, okay. It seems a little pricey in my opinion for these brushes, because I feel like I can get these for way cheaper. I did think this was a Moda brush set because they do have a neon set like this, but it's from this brand Lavish, which honestly I have never heard of, but this is something I would definitely use. I love brushes. This is one of my favorite style of brushes, these fluffy blending ones. This one perfect for like liner, brows, pack color on, and to apply color in the inner corner. So I really like these, something that I would use. And I don't know if I told you guys the price on the Elemis. That is $48. So that's what I got in my base box. Overall, I mean, it's okay. I'll use the products that I'm interested in, and I'll just give away the products that I'm not. So that's that. Let's move on to BoxyCharm Premium. This box. So the pamphlet that I received in my box says the version is number 59. 59. And there is only one makeup product in here. One. And it's not even the color stories that I have selected in my questionnaire, which is kind of annoying. And also there's 2 hair products and 3 skincare products. Now I know I do have selected that I would like to receive some skincare, but more makeup opposed to more skincare. And they just gave me whatever they wanted in here. So also, I received an email where they send me like a virtual card of what I was going to receive in the box, which if I click on it, it didn't show me anything. And I saw a lot of people saying that. And then this card says that I was supposed to receive the Pure Cosmetics Barbie palette. And I emailed them and they told me that it was a mistake, that they sent this card on accident. So yeah, this is version 59. Maybe I was supposed to get a different version or just a different card, but whatever. Yeah, let's get into it. So the only makeup product I received is this Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss, which these are very pretty. This is just not the color that I would like. And we get colors at random, but you have in your questionnaire selected like the color family that you would like, or if you would like for them to send you like, you know, whatever they want, like surprise me. I don't have that selected. I have specific colors that I would like to receive. This is definitely not a color I would use. I actually bought one of these for my mom. It's more of a like orangey brownish shade. So I'll just give her this one because I'm not going to use it. The price on that is $21. Next, this was one of the options to receive with like the palettes. There was 3 palettes that you could receive, or this product. If they were already sending 2 other skincare, to me it would have made more sense that I would have received a palette and not a skincare product like it says here in this pamphlet that I got according to them by mistake, which says that I would have received the Pure Cosmetics Barbie Endless Possibilities Pressed Pigments palette, but I got the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydrating Mask. Now, I don't want you guys to think that I'm like ungrateful for the products that I got, but I am paying for these boxes, so I would like to have boxes that are a little more curated to the questionnaire that they always insist you fill out, so that they can get a better understanding as to what you're going to receive in your boxes. You know, just a thought. And next, moving on to this product, which honestly, whatever. This is an Age Away Replenishing Cream. Now, this specific product says it's for mature skin. I don't feel like I have mature skin yet. They do have my age because they do ask you for your birthday, so they know your age. I'm pretty sure they know I'm not older to have mature skin, but whatever. This is from the brand Lavito, and it's retails for $69. So yeah, this is not a product I would want to use now, and it seems like it's kind of like a moisturizing cream that to me might be thicker for more mature skin that need that hydration, which is what this will do. So yeah, I'm going to probably give this to my mom because it will help her more than me at this moment. I have skincare that is curated more for my skin. This is just not something that I feel like would benefit my skin right now. Moving on to another skincare product. This is the Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. This gently exfoliates and balances, you know, the skin. This is actually something that I did want, so I'm happy I received this. This retails for $39. I do like that it's a glass frosted bottle. It feels super nice. And this is definitely something that I will be trying out. Now, I don't want to open this yet. I want to go through the toner that I'm currently working on, just because I don't want this to go bad, you know, because using some products, it doesn't, you don't finish them up that quickly. And I rather wait to open this until I'm almost done with that. So that's another product that I got. That one I actually am excited for. Now, moving on to the last two products, which are, this one's for your hair. This says it's a IGK Hair Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. So it's going to help frizz control and heat protection. I mean, I'll use it because I do curl and straighten my hair a lot. It smells good. At first when I sprayed it, it smelled kind of like vanilla to me. But now that I smell it, it's more florally fruity and it smells really good. That is something that I like about their hair products because I have received another product from them that I actually do use. So I will put it to use now that I received it. This is not a product that I would necessarily go out of my way to buy on my own. But I'll use it. If I like it, then I guess I will. And lastly, we have this Greengrass product, which I don't even know. I've never heard of it. But this says it retails for $36, so that's a little high in price. I do like that it's very aesthetically pleasing and cute, so I like that. This says it's a spray for your multi-use for body, face, and hair. It is a little... like, it smells really good. That's something I will say. It says Beach Air, the scent of it, inspired by Greece. And yeah, so basically it's kind of like a fragrance oil for your hair, your body. Now, I had sprayed it on my hands and it did make my hands feel smooth. It's a bit oily at like first application, but it does start drying down and it doesn't leave that like oily, greasy film on your hands. So I do like that. I would probably use it as kind of like a fragrance for my hair. Not up here, just because I have very oily scalp. Is oily. Like I can't even, it's super oily. So if I put a product like this up here, it will be insane. I think I would wear it on my hair. Like today I have extensions. Don't think I have this much hair. My hair has been growing, but this is too much hair. I would definitely apply it on my extensions, maybe on my body in the summer. Not on my face. I will show you guys. It has a very harsh like mister. It's not like nice and smooth, but it does smell so good. Overall, would this be a product that I would go and buy? No. I'm like whatever about it. I'll use it just because I received it and it's something that potentially I could like, but yeah, that's about it. And that was what was in my box, my premium box. I don't even know what to say. I mean, it is what it is at this point. This is what I got. Just have to keep it moving, hoping for better products next month. And yeah, let me know what you guys got in your boxes, if you guys are still getting your boxes. This is the only thing I decided to keep just so that I could feel like I'm still, you know, getting some makeup goodies, which I didn't get so many in these boxes. But yeah, that's basically it for my unboxing. As you guys can see, there wasn't very many products that I could try on, so I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Let me know if you guys liked your boxes for this month, or your box. What version did you get? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you don't think I was too like a negative Nancy, but it is what it is. I did film this makeup tutorial, which will be up on my channel tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I hope you guys are excited to see this look in action. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.